Welcome to this beautiful, bright, and blissful Bushland home where peaceful living meets brilliant design. Take a look.
This spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, nestled on a sprawling 1.5-acre lot, offers the perfect blend of comfort and functionality. Step inside and be greeted by a warm and inviting living area featuring rich wood flooring and a beautiful brick fireplace. Large windows adorned with stylish curtains flood the space with natural light. Beyond the main residence, this exceptional property includes a massive 40 by 60 workshop with integrated living quarters. This versatile space comes complete with a 3/4 bathroom, a well-appointed kitchen, a comfortable loft bedroom, and a private patio ideal for guests, extended family, or events.
This versatile shop is the perfect space for buzzing get-togethers, beloved celebrations, and big-hearted memories. It is ready for whatever you dream up next. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.